Imagine a volcano erupting, spewing ash and molten rock into the sky. Suddenly, bolts of lightning crackle through the towering plume. This is volcanic lightning, a rare and electrifying spectacle. It happens when tiny ash particles in the eruption cloud collide at unbelievable speeds, stripping electrons and creating intense static electricity. The charge builds until it discharges as lightning, illuminating the chaos. This phenomenon not only stuns onlookers, but also provides scientists with clues about the inner workings of eruptions and the immense power hidden within our planet.